Babae ako, hindi babae lang.
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 Ano ba yan, Amanda? Pagsa ka na naman?
Bagsak ka na naman. Tignan mo. Kababae ng tao, bagsak ka. Mga mahihina talaga kayo kung hindi nyo kaya makipagsabay sa mga kalalakihan.
In a world where voices are often silenced and opportunities are unevenly given, women's advocacy rises as a powerful call for justice and change. It speaks for those who have been unheard, challenging the barriers of discrimination, inequality, and injustice that women continue to face. With courage and resilience, it ignites a movement that demands respect, dignity, and equal rights for every woman. More than just a cause, it is a fight for recognition, empowerment, and the freedom to dream without limits. Women's advocacy stands as a bold reminder that true progress can only be achieved when everyone's voice is valued and everyone is given the chance to rise.